So just trying to get some quick footage. This last piece of zucchini that the plecos were eating fell down in the lava rock here. These big clown loaches were eating it. And clown loaches have a tendency to kind of click their mouths when they eat. It's unbelievable that I could hear it from over the dining room table. Remember, this 220 gallon has glass that's about 1 centimeter to 1.5 centimeters thick. And even with the filters going and everything, you can hear them. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. They all want it. Hear that snapping? Isn't that incredible? He wants it to himself. He don't want none of the other guys. Oh, there's the big one. Oh, they like locked jaws for a second there. The big alpha came over and was like, "It's mine, dude-o." And then, of course, there's Brutus, who wants nothing to do with zucchini. But because I have a camera over here, you gotta come over here, don't you? Isn't that amazing how loud that is? They love that zucchini.